community clean-up of village streets. As the second phase interstate boundary talks between Assam and Meghalaya is yet to resume, the Khasi Students' Union has alleged status quo violation by the Assam government at Langpih. Opposing the road construction undertaken by the Assam government, the KSU has asked the state government to intervene. KSU President John Fisher Nongsiang condemned Assam's actions, emphasizing KSU's readiness to respond forcefully to any disruptions, including blocking construction efforts. Meanwhile, additionally, Deputy Commissioner Ba M.A. Chalam visited Nongma village with the KSU to address residents' concerns over Assam's road survey. He assured the community of safety and promised to investigate the survey's legitimacy. KSU leaders condemned the harassment, stressing the need for better infrastructure in border areas.
Kini kajing le jang suka Assam man sinang ting surok kalong kajing penkain tiga ain status quo kumbala penbaik ba kinu ki naklang ki sarkar artali ki jala ki dewan swab sinang kinu project iban ya kajing itu ne kay NOC nakanu ka jala bakhi haban sina te kani kajing le jang sarkar Assam man sinang ting surok la penkain tiga status quo.
So resident well